Welcome to Curious Cub's Art.
Hello kids, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're learning to draw and color a rainbow step by step. Let's start by drawing.
Draw the rainbow's clouds first. Let's draw the rainbow. Draw the rainbow's archway. Let's sing a rainbow song. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet makes a rainbow. Rainbow has 7 colors. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's color the rainbow.
Red color.
I am coloring the rainbow in the clouds. Rainbow's first color is red color.
Orange color.
I am coloring the rainbow orange color.
Yellow color.
I am coloring the rainbow yellow color.
Green color.
I am coloring the rainbow green color.
Sky blue color.
I am coloring the rainbow sky blue color.
Purple color.
I am coloring the rainbow purple color.
Pink color.
I am coloring the rainbow's clouds now. Let's make them pink. Let's sing a rainbow song. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet makes a rainbow. The rainbow looks so amazing. Don't forget to subscribe.